Oh wow, the last day here at Malta. Having a massive feast with Lars.
The days of summer.
So we're here at the beach with Sasha. It's my last day in Malta. I think I have 2 hours before I have to go on the bus and fly over to Israel. Man, it's been a wild trip. I'm so stoked to be here.
When will I see you again?
Hola, hola, do you know this place? I don't know, but they call it Jerusalem. And look who's there! There's Julia! Yay! We made it! We made it! Day one starts now.